In Canada's forests this summer, fire is the big threat. But for the frontline crews, it's not always the flames that they're worrying about the most. We were out with Evan Rankin and a team from the BC Forest Service fighting a fire in the Puncie Lake area when they came across a huge, unstable Douglas fir.
He's wetting it down so I can get in there and it won't be too hot for me to fall the tree.
Then Rankin got in with his chainsaw. Only the tree was so unstable, it trapped the blade.
I guess there was just too much weight on that side.
They call these danger trees for good reason. Earlier this month, one fell and killed a member of a crew fighting another fire near Seashelt. Finally, with some help, Rankin was able to make the cut. Woo! But even at the end, there's a surprise. The trunk shattered unexpectedly, and the tree fell a different way than he thought it was going to.
Split second and, you know, something's happening, so you gotta be able to get out of there quick.
When it was down, you can see how the fire burned out all the roots and right up inside the trunk, hollowing out the middle. Now it won't pose a hazard to the crews who continue to fight the Puncie Lake fire.